Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video I want to show you how to figure out which GM van you have. And so what we're talking about with GM vans is the GMC Savana, which is this van right here, and the Chevrolet Express. They're basically the same van. And they're offered in two different length options. They're offered in the regular wheelbase and the extended. It's a 135-inch wheelbase or a 155-inch wheelbase, oftentimes just called regular and extended. And so how do you figure out which one that you have? Maybe you don't know. It doesn't show you anywhere on the van what the wheelbase is, not on your VIN sticker like some of the OEMs do. So I want to show you how to figure that out real quick. So wheelbase is the measurement between your front axle and your rear axle. And so all you have to do is take that measurement and you'll know which wheelbase that you have. And so we're just going to take a quick measurement right here. And as you can see, a basic measurement right here, I'm at 156, 155-ish. And my tape measure's not that straight. So this is the long, the extended, the 155-inch wheelbase. Again, if that number's closer to 135, 140, 130, you've got the regular wheelbase. You don't got to get it perfect to figure out which one, because there's a 20-inch difference between those two wheelbase lengths. And that number's going to be important for things like your equipment on the interior of the van, your liners, your floors, what size shelving you can fit, how much space you have in the cargo area, what length of step that you can fit. Like we have here, we have a long step that goes wheel to wheel here. That's going to be important to know your wheelbase measurement for that. So hopefully this video has been helpful to you. If you're looking for any equipment for your van to get it ready for work, be sure to check us out, upfitsupply.com.